What's up, traders? Let's go right into this week's weekly breakdown on trade analysis. So I'm going to start with Euro USD. So let's go to the higher time frame and see what has been happening. I usually like trading the week after NFP because usually after NFP the market is more calm, and by then the fundamental side of the market is kind of, giving direction and push to the market. So I usually love trading the week after NFP. And this is the week after NFP. Let's see how it goes. Let's hope that we get some nice movements in the market. So this is Euro USD on the daily time frame, right? I'm actually looking to short Euro USD at this point because price has come back to this area of supply right here, this strong area of supply, right? So I would prefer to be looking for shorts, to be looking to short Euro USD. I will be looking at selling opportunities on this market. So if we go to the 4 hour, you'll see that this has been a very strong area of supply. Price came here, took out this high, at this point. So since price took out this high right here, we've been having a lot of selling pressure. Price has been creating lower lows and lower highs. Then NFP came and boom, took price all the way to the top over, let's see, how many pips? Like 130 pips more, right? So NFP gave us this very strong impulsive push to the upside. Now price is back into this area of supply at this point. This is a premium area of supply. So I feel, we should be keen to, sell Euro USD at least to some area of demand down here before we continue looking for buys. So at this point right here, I think the market is overbought for anyone to be looking for buys in this particular area, right? Don't get me wrong, the market can continue to buy. Fine, we'll look for buying opportunity, but I mean, it makes more sense to be looking to short the market at this point right here. So what I intend to do is just to wait to see price take out some liquidity, give us some change of character, and then I short, right? So right about here, I want to see price still come up to take out this high. I've marked it out. I'm waiting to see price come up, take out this high, go into this area that I've marked out, this rectangle, this area of supply that I've marked out with this rectangle. So I want to see price come up again, take this high, and then once it takes it out, comes into this area, it now goes down to take out this low right here. It goes down to take out this low. So once I see this, then I'll be looking for price to come back into an area of interest for me to short the market. And I'll be shorting it all the way to fill in this imbalance, this huge imbalance right here. So that's one trade that I'm looking to take, Euro USD. So I'm waiting to see price come back up, take out liquidity, fill in this, area of supply, then come down, give us a change of character, and then I need to short on another block or whatever point of interest I can find. So that's it for Euro USD, guys. Let's go to GBP USD. This is GBP USD, similar stuff on GBP USD. There was a very nice trading opportunity that presented itself on GBP USD last week, but I didn't see it. Now, this is it right here. Price took out this liquidity, right? Took out liquidity, came back into this area of support that has turned to resistance, right? This was the support that has turned to resistance. So price took out this liquidity, gave us a huge sell-off that changed character to the downside and reversed, came back in here, and then continued to sell. So that was last week. I just thought I should touch on that just to, give you guys some insight. All right, so that is for last week. Then here we are on the chart. This right here looks like a liquidity, but at the same time, if you zoom in, you will see that price has taken out this high. Price actually came and took out this high before it started selling up. So I'm considering this as a liquidity that has already been taken, right? Considering that this right here is even an area of supply. This right here is an area of supply, right? So even on GBP USD, I'm still looking to short the market. I'm looking to short the market to at least to fill in this imbalance and for price to come back to this low. So I'm waiting to see price, come back into this area right here, or perhaps even take out this area, then give us some, accumulation or whatever, and then it changes character to the downside. Then I look to enter on a POI. So that's what I'm also looking out for on GBP USD. Very similar stuff like Euro USD, right? Very similar stuff. At the end of the day, I'm still looking to short. Looking to short. Then finally, let's look at gold. Now, this is what gold looks like. Gold is close to its all-time high, which is around $2,483. And right now, the price action that is playing out on gold is interesting. I know that gold is going to continue this bullish run to at least take out the all-time high, right? I know that gold is most likely going to take out its all-time high tomorrow or today, being Monday, right? I know that gold is going to take out the all-time high, but where am I going to find an entry to buy gold all the way to its all-time high is the issue. So right now, I can see that gold has taken liquidity down here, tapped into this area of demand. If I can mark it out. So I can see that gold has tapped into this area of demand and has started pushing up. So I know gold is going to reach the all-time high, but I don't know how to get into this trade right now. So what can happen right here is that I can just leave it to see how it goes. It could come back down, right? It could come back down. It could come back down to give us an entry before it spikes here, or it can just continue to buy and takes out the all-time high. So immediately gold takes out its all-time high. I'm actually going to be looking for selling opportunities because we have a very strong possibility that once it takes out the all-time high, it clears all of the liquidity, then it spikes down, right? It spikes down because a lot of people will be taking their profit at this point. A lot of people will be doing a lot of taking of profit at the all-time high. So once the all-time high is taken, the next thing you should expect is a huge sell-off, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes on gold. But I'll just be, watching the market and see the opportunities that it presents. I'll be watching the market and see the opportunity that it presents. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. I'll just try my best to stick to the setup, stick to the process, and focus on the process rather than the P&L. So let me just look at BTC before we wrap up. So this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading at 58,000, let's say $800, right? Now, Bitcoin has been selling off lately, and a lot of people are panicking. But I genuinely feel that Bitcoin is currently at a strong level of demand. And we're likely going to see Bitcoin give us that push that will finally take out 73K. That's its all-time high from this point right here, right? And my reasons are this, very simple. This is an accumulation, and I even like the way it's accumulating for long because once it breaks out of this accumulation, once it breaks out of this 73K, we're likely going to see Bitcoin surge to 100K and above, right? Because the longer it takes in accumulating, the harder the breakout. That's just it. The longer the accumulation, the harder the breakout. That's just it with every market situation. So right now, Bitcoin came and took out a strong low that it had placed here, and this was around 56K, right? So Bitcoin came and took it out here, and then it gave us this strong push that took out the lower high that broke this low. So this was the previous lower high that broke this low, right? Now price came, took out this low, has taken liquidity and it has given us a change of character at this point right here to the upside. Now, it didn't take out this high to give us a new high, yes, but then this is still a valid area of demand, right? This is still a valid area of demand that we can see buyers step in to push Bitcoin's price all the way to the all-time high. And I'm very optimistic about this, so I just thought I should share it, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. This is a strong area of demand, right? A very strong area of demand. Let's see how Bitcoin responds to this area of demand. So if Bitcoin fails to respect this area of demand and it breaks it below, then we may see Bitcoin come all the way down to 44K, right? We may see Bitcoin flush all the way down to 44K. But if this area of demand is being respected, at least we should see Bitcoin break 73K. So as the market is crashing right now, I don't see it as a big deal. I still see it as normal for the bullish run. I still see this as normal price action that could still catapult price all the way to 73K and beyond. So that was it, guys, for the weekly breakdown. I hope you got value from this. If you did get value, don't forget to like the video, smash the like button, guys, and hit the subscribe button. Share the video to your loved ones and friends as well. So, guys, if you want to register with a broker, with a trusted broker, I recommend EXNESS always. So check the description of this video. You'll find a link to sign up with EXNESS. You can also sign up with HFM or Deriv if you want to trade Deriv synthetic indices or Deriv indices. So that's it, guys. Cheers, and see you guys in the next one.